Hello everyone, today we will do class 10th chapter 11 constructions exercise 11.1 question number 5. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC 6 cm, AB 5 cm and angle ABC equals to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. So let us start. So first of all, we have to make BC, which is given to be 6 cm. So like this, we can make this BC equals to 6 cm. So at B, we have to make this angle ABC equals to 60 degree. So we will construct an angle of 60 degree at B. So it will be like this. To construct an angle of 60 degree, we mark an arc like this, and with the same radius we draw arc like this. So this is an angle of 60 degree at B. Now AB is given to be 5 cm. So we will take 5 cm like this. Now we will keep the compass here at point B. So this is A. This will be point A such that this AB is 5 cm now. This angle is 60 degree and this BC is 6 cm. And with this we have completed the given triangle ABC with given dimensions. Now we will construct another triangle whose sides are 3/4 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Now for this, we will draw a ray BX such that this is an acute angle at BC. And then what we will do, we will see this ratio which is given to be 3/4. So we will have to first see the greater of the two numbers, that is given to be 4. So this 4 indicates that on BX we will take 4 arcs at equal intervals. So we can do it like this. So this is first 4 points we have to actually take. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So let us name them. So this is B1, B2, B3 and B4. Now again you have to see the denominator which is given to be 4 again. So that means this 4th point is to be joined with the vertex C. Now we will see the numerator which is 3. Now this means this 3rd point is to be taken and a line parallel through this 3rd point is drawn which is parallel to B4C. So let us draw parallel line. So for that we will use the concept of corresponding angles. When two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. So, or when the corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So let us make the corresponding angles equal. So it will be like this. This is the way to construct equal angle. So this line will be parallel to, this line will be parallel to through B3. It will be parallel to B4C. We will take this point as C dash. Now the next thing will be through C dash we will draw a line which is parallel to AC. Again let us make the corresponding angles equal. When corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So we have to make equal angles at C and C dash. So it is like this. And from here we have to take this and it is to be drawn like this. So in this way a line through C dash parallel to AC or CA is drawn. So let this parallel line intersects AB at A dash. So this is the required triangle A dash B C dash. So we can write here triangle A dash B C dash is required triangle. Let us now do justification part. So for this, first of all, see triangle B4C. So in triangle B4C by BPT. Now see in this triangle, this B3C dash is parallel to B4C. So by BPT we have BB3 over BB4 equals to BC dash over BC. Now this BB3, 1, 2, 3 parts, and BB4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 parts equals to B dash BC dash over BC. Now that means the ratio of BC dash over BC is 3 over 4. Now see this A dash BC dash is similar to ABC, as this angle B is common and these two angles are equal. They are corresponding angles here. So they are equal. So we will write triangle A dash BC dash is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. Therefore, now when triangles are similar, their sides are proportional. That is A dash B over AB equal to BC dash over BC equals to A dash C dash over AC. Now see this ratio. This is 3 by 4. So all these ratios are equal. So these ratios are also 3 by 4. That means the new triangle which is constructed, its sides are 3 by 4 of the sides of this original triangle. Now let us see the steps of construction. So first step will be draw triangle ABC. Now this triangle ABC is the given triangles whose dimensions are given, right? BC is 6 cm, AB is 5 cm and angle ABC is 60 degree. Draw any ray BX making an acute angle with BC on the side opposite to the vertex A. Now locate 4 points B1, B2, B3, B4 on BX such that they are equal. BB1 equals to B1, B2 equals to B2, B3 equals to B3, B4. Now join B4C and draw a line through B3 parallel to B4C to intersect BC at C dash. This. Draw a line through C dash parallel to CA to intersect BA at A dash. So triangle A dash B C dash is the required triangle.